Hi, in this video you learn how to use the transformations in Sculpt mode. I'll be using the 2.81 version of Blender. We can use the basic transformations directly in Sculpt mode. Let's demonstrate it on a simple example. Let's start by deleting the default cube and adding a sphere, UV sphere. Let's scale it 10 times as 10. And then let's add a subdivision surface modifier to it. So let's go to modifiers, add modifier, subdivision surface, and let's set subdivisions to 3. Let's apply. Okay. And now let's go to Sculpt mode. Now let's turn off mirroring because we don't need it here, and set the radius of the brush to 100. Okay, now let's choose the snake hook brush and let's sculpt some spikes. Nothing special, something like this. Okay, this will do for our purposes. And now let's apply the transformations to the whole object first. Here on the left, if you scroll down, you have these buttons for transformations. Move, so that you can move the object. Then we have rotate. Fine. Then we have scale. This is very sensitive. And we also have all the transformations in one gizmo. So we can rotate, we can move, scale, and so on. And now let's apply the transformations to just a portion of the mesh. So let's mask one of these spikes. To do that, we can just use the mask brush. Fine, for example, this one. Let's mask it. Okay. Let's invert this mask by pressing Ctrl-I. And now we can use the transforms to affect just this part. So move. As you can see, only this part is affected, not the masked part. Fine. Or, for example, rotate. Good. So as you can see, now you can use the transformations directly in Sculpt mode to affect the whole object or just part of it. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.